to implement staff augmentation and make it work for your business. The business sector is attempting to use staff and resource augmentation to acquire exceptional individuals without quickly jeopardizing profitability. It would help if you first comprehended what staff augmentation is. Only then can you successfully form organizations and employ remote developers. The best approach to convey the notion of staff augmentation is to appreciate the demand of new and developing organizations seeking skilled professionals to manage particular operations perfectly. Consequently, enhancing the business functions, it may also understand the notion of staff augmentation by considering and maintaining control over all operation when dealing with any resource allocation projects, particularly when developers attempt to manage the process to meet milestones. But first, what is staff augmentation? Staff augmentation is a kind of outsourcing cooperation in which highly trained workers are hired on a contract rather than permanently based engagement. In plain English, you are acquiring highly trained and talented personnel from a staff augmentation firm that assists you in accomplishing all your project goals. Staff augmentation has been a term in the IT sector for a long time, since it enables IT organizations to expand their teams without incurring additional costs. Throughout the length of the project, the non-technical and technical resource collaborate with your internal staff. Additionally, they might work from their home or place of employment. Knowledge of the staff augmentation process flow helps in assessing existing team members. Additionally, it permits you to select whether or not to use an external resource. Staff augmentation has a standard means in gaining a dedicated staff. Staff outsourcing, resource augmentation, full-time employee FTE, project outsourcing, and resource outsourcing are synonym concepts with minimal loss, implementation, and cost distinctions. Many businesses use staff outsourcing to hire industry experts to satisfy their tough project needs and deadlines. It is a realistic option for individuals and companies that want to work on a project-by-project basis.